Hey guys, John V here with PhoneArena. I'm live here at MWC 2018 and I'm doing a quick hands-on look at Alcatel's brand new Alcatel 3 lineup. So I'm going to start off with the Alcatel 3. It's the most inexpensive one out of the bunch at 150 euros. For the price, I'm really astounded by its beautifully curved lines and the metallic-like finish that it has on the back. It's so polished looking that you could definitely see reflections, but at the same time too, it does accumulate a lot of fingerprints and smudges. Beyond that, the only other main standout for me is its 5.5-inch 1440 by 720 IPS display, which follows its principle of having an 18:9 screen aspect ratio. And you know what? It's priced at 150 euros, making it very inexpensive. Next up, we have the Alcatel 3X. It's positioned right there in the middle of this new lineup at 180 euros. It's mainly differentiated by a few things. The first one being its larger 5.7-inch 1440 by 720 IPS display, and also features a dual camera system in the back. You have a 13-megapixel camera paired with a 5-megapixel one, and it's used to deliver some super wide angle captures. Its design though is less compelling than the Alcatel 3 because it uses this textured plastic material rather than the metallic finish that we see in the Alcatel 3. And finally, we have the Alcatel 3V, which is at the top of the totem pole in this new lineup at 190 euros. It's aggressively priced, obviously, and it combines the same metallic finish that we see in the Alcatel 3 with an impressive looking 6-inch 2K display at 2160 by 1080 pixels. You even have a handy fingerprint sensor, and it has also a dual camera setup. It breaks down to a 12-megapixel main camera combined with a 2-megapixel secondary depth one, so essentially it delivers those real-time bokeh effects. Out of the bunch, it definitely feels the most substantial, and that's a good thing, seeing that its price point really makes it tempting. So with this new line, Alcatel follows some brand new principles. You're going to find things like those 18:9 screen aspect ratio. You have these really nice looking designs, which they term the coin Simganic, which combines simple with organic. The Alcatel 3V is available right now in select markets, while the Alcatel 3 and the 3X will be launching in March and April respectively. There's no word if they're coming here to the US, but if you're desperate, you could always import them. So if you guys want to learn more about any of these brand new phones, you could check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John V, signing off.